Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello bakers! In this video I will show you how to make vanilla biscuits at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 large egg, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Remember to have your butter softened and your egg at room temperature for the best results. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius to be ready for baking. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and the vanilla extract, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined. Gradually add the all-purpose flour, mixing until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Once your dough is ready, wrap it in cling film and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading during baking. With your dough chilled, it's time to roll and cut. Lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters. Use your preferred cookie cutters to create fun shapes, then carefully place them on a baking sheet, leaving about 2 centimeters between each biscuit. Bake them in your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are just lightly golden. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool and crisp up. Your delicious vanilla biscuits are almost ready to enjoy. Once completely cooled, you can decorate them with a dusting of icing sugar, colorful sprinkles, or a simple vanilla glaze. To keep them fresh, store any leftover baked biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. If you have extra dough, you can freeze it for up to 3 months, ready for your next baking adventure. Enjoy these delightful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.